Okay, today now we are going to understand the what is the mean by polling. Both you can spell, no problem. Polling, generally its meaning, polling is a process of a refining of a metal. In a metallurgy, we know generally extraction of metals we are learning. After during the extraction of the metal, we have a process that is called refining. What is meant by refining? Refining is nothing but the process of obtaining of a pure metal from impure metal. Just we are taking any impure metal and we are converting, and by extraction process we are getting a pure metal. This process is called refining. Now coming to understand main point, that is purification, how it is happened. Here the polling is a process. The molten metal is stirred with logs of the green wood. Molten metal, for example, just we have taken a container and molten metal is taken, and it is a green wood log is there, nothing but like a stick. We have green wood log is there. With this green wood log we are stirring continuously. After stirring, what happened? It release or forms some vapors. What happened when molten metal is stirred with logs of a green wood continuously, then impurities will be removed with this process. Here the impurities removal process takes as removal of gases, and by getting the oxidation. Here when it is removed, release the vapor gases, it may forms some hydrocarbon gases. Okay, like that. Similarly, next oxidize, then it forms a scum or a slag on the surface or layer of a molten metal, and it makes the prevent from the oxidation of a copper formed. Now why this green wood log is used? Means the reason it will be reducing the gases are evolved. Reducing the gases, which type of the gases are evolved, it will be reduced. Next, after that, it will be prevent the oxidation of the copper. This is prevention of the oxidation of the copper. Actually this process is used for the copper oxide as impurities. For example, cuprous oxide is there. Then it will be converted as the copper. Pure copper will be formed. In this process, simply we can note it. Heat of a copper metal of the pole emits the wood gas. Wood gases will be removed. What is the wood gas? Nothing but carbon dioxide and hydrogen gases will be removed. Then it will be formed as a hydrocarbon like CH4. It is as a nothing but reducing agent it will be. Next, it will reduce the cuprous oxide to copper, and it can be one of the finally pure metal of a copper will be formed. So this is the process of polling. Understand?